Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install MeshCentral on Debian 12. First, refresh the Debian package index. Next, install all available updates and required packages. Node.js is required to run MeshCentral. Now, add the official node source repository. Then, run the following command to install Node.js. Continue to verify the installation. Now, create the MeshCentral directory. Next, install MeshCentral by running the following command. Continue to create the data directory. Next, create the configuration file. Then, paste the following configuration. Now, start MeshCentral manually by running the following command. Next, open your browser and visit the following URL. Then, stop MeshCentral after testing. Next, create a service file. Continue to paste the following configuration. Then, reload systemd. Continue to enable MeshCentral at startup. Next, start the service and check the service status. Now, allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic by running the following commands. Continue to enable UFW. Then, check the firewall status. Now, reopen your browser and visit the following URL. Create your administrator account on first login. Finally, your MeshCentral server is now installed and ready to use.